Well, good afternoon, everybody. Today is Thursday, June 1st, and this is going to be fire alarm test number 52. And also, I have a very odd device in front of you guys today. So, some of you may be wondering, is this a Potter device? In fact, indeed it is. So let's take a look at this device before we open it up. So as you can see, you got your Candela selection right here. Let me zoom in on that. It's set for 75 Candela. And you have your Potter logo at the bottom. With a letter P with the circle around it, that's a Potter logo. And you have your horn right behind this grill. I don't know if you could see in there when I angle it, but that's okay though. And you have your strobe right here. And also, right on the sides, you have your fire lettering on the sides. And this alarm is basically common on sprinkler systems and stuff like that, like ancient release control systems and stuff like that. With ancient release, I've seen a lot of these in white, and I haven't seen any of them in red yet, but I know some of these are way beyond my field. But here it is. This is going to be a test of the Potter SH1224. And it's a multi-tone device, and it's very cool. And on the back you have your mounting bracket. Almost the same thing as a Spectre Alert Advance mounting bracket, pretty much. And how to take this off its mounting bracket is you open this Potter thing underneath here, but you have to take a flathead screwdriver to release it. Careful not to break it. There we go. And then you have a Phillips screw in here. I don't know if you could see in the hole, but I'm gonna have to get a flat Phillips screwdriver to get this thing off. Or I can just use this one. It's not a big deal. Nope, it's not gonna fit. I need to get a Phillips screwdriver. It's somewhere in my toolbox. I'm not sure where it is. Maybe this will do it. I'll just use this screwdriver. And how this device comes off, you carefully remove it from the mounting bracket, because this device is kind of easy to break. And this device, and as you can see, here's the model number right here. It says Potter. It's a Potter SH1224, and it can run on Filter DC or FWR, which is pretty neat. Here's your Potter logo, and then you have your ULC listed. And I'm not sure what the rest of this stuff means, but your model number is right here. And also right here you have your prongs where the mounting bracket feeds power through. And then you have your dip switches at the top that changes the tone and also runs the strobe independently or together. So anyways, that's basically all it is. But let me carefully open this up so we can reveal the circuitry in here. And this is your Candela selection switch right here. This little spool thing right here. I've got to be careful because I don't want to break this thing. Yeah, these wires are so thin, they also easy to break. Well, I'm going to leave the strobe at 75 candela. I'm going to carefully get this back in. And that's basically all it is. And in that case, here's your mounting bracket. All 5 terminals. You mount this to the wall first, do all your wiring, just the same as a Spectre Alert Advance, and then slide this on. So let me go ahead and put this back together. But first, we're going to wire it up first. So, and my camera's running low on the battery, so I'm going to cut the camera for a second. Alright, here comes the fun part, guys. So, for a sprinkler alarm, or a fire alarm in this case, how does this alarm actually perform? What does it sound like? So, one of you may be wondering, what does it sound like? Well, here's the fun part. We're going to test it for you guys. And anyways, but first, before we test the horn and strobe together, we're going to start out by testing the strobe. And the strobe is set for 75 candela, which I'm going to leave it at 75. And that should be bright enough to get your guys' attention, because even though I do like bright strobes, not too bright where it blinds you, but so anyways, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's turn on the strobe. Not too bad, but I can hear a little bit of a beeping noise. I'm not sure if the camera microphone is picking that up, but it is making a beeping sound. I think it's only the strobe's capacitor itself. So let's turn off the lights up here. That is really bright with the lights off. And I can also hear a little bit of a ticking noise, but I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. Okay, let's shut off the strobe. Shut it off. Now we're going to test both the horn and strobe together. And despite the fact that this alarm has 4 tones. It has the electromechanical, the 2400 hertz, the broadband, and the last tone is the chime. But first, let me grab my hearing protection, wherever it is. Here it is. Okay, now let's test the alarm. So the tone that we're going to be using in this video is the electromechanical, which is the standard default tone. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's turn it off. That's very loud, not gonna lie. And also, for the next part of the test, we're going to be using a pull station part of the test. So anyways, let's go ahead and hook up a pull station. And for the pull station part of the test, we're going to be using my Firelight BG12L. And to be honest with you guys, I really don't have any European pull station that goes with, and I'm not sure what they used on Potter stuff, but this will have to do for now. I was skeptical to go with my NBG1R pull station, but I figured, what if a pull station to sound this alarm got replaced at some point? And it would probably be replaced with this. So anyways, let's pull it down. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Got to reset this because this is loud. That is extremely loud. Still not gonna lie, guys. This thing really does pack a punch because it is ear splitting. But the thing is with this ancient release alarm is it does have some pretty cool features on it, and it's really nice, and I really love it. But it is a little bit breakable, though. So anyways, well, I guess that is all for fire alarm test number 52. So I really hope you enjoyed this special ancient release knockoff thing. And it's a very cool device, even though there's not really many of these around in my area, but it's a very cool device. I love it. I love the sound that it makes, and it does have some pretty cool noises. And if you want to see me do a video of testing all the tones that this thing can do, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make that video as soon as possible, guys, because right now I'm going back to a busy schedule for right now, and I'm hoping to make more of these fire alarm tests in the near future. And I'm hoping that you enjoyed this one. I hope you enjoyed fire alarm test number 52, and if you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And that's a very highly suggestion to you guys if you're watching this video. So anyways, guys, if you want to see more fire alarm tests like this, please like and subscribe to this channel of Jonathan Ryerson Hotel. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed fire alarm test number 52, the 50-second test number 52, and I will see you guys later. Take care.